Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
And right now we're taking a live look out at Klamath Falls. Right now conditions temperature-wise, not too bad. We're only at 78 degrees. It is pretty breezy into the Klamath Basin, and we'll continue to see a lot of those breezes throughout this evening and into early tonight. Your current temperatures right now, 85 degrees in Medford, 86 over in Grants Pass, cooler along the coast with seasonal temperatures, 64 in the Brookings. Moving down into Northern California, 81 in Yreka, 85 in Montague, and down in Dunsmuir, 82 degrees. And again, up into the Klamath Basin right now, 79 in Beatty, 80 over in Lakeview, cooler in Chaumont, only 60 degrees. Now, right now, we do have a low pressure system that is making its way over top of us, and that's what's bringing a lot of these breezy conditions today. Even into the Rogue Valley, we were seeing those breezes pick up this afternoon. And right now, we're tracking some storms making their way through in upper Klamath County. Further into tonight, we're still tracking the potential for some thunderstorms to pop up. We're not working with much moisture, so most of these storms are going to be dry, and they'll be bringing some dry lightning along with them. And a reminder that we do have that red flag warning that is out tonight until 8 p.m. We have some low humidity values, those gusty wind conditions up to 40 miles per hour, and we're seeing it firsthand. Those wildfires can spread very quickly in these conditions. Now, temperature-wise tonight, we are going to be a little bit cooler thanks to this system east of the Cascades. Your lows tonight, 40 into Klamath Falls, 39 over into Lakeview, over into Medford, 54 for your low, a little bit cooler down in Yreka, 51. Now, as we wake up tomorrow into the Klamath Basin, some of that smoke from the Copperfield fire is going to be settling in, especially over into Lakeview. You could see some smoky conditions as you're waking up in the morning, and that is most likely going to affect your air quality values as you're getting up in the morning. You'll probably see some unhealthy values, but as we make your way through the day, you could see some clearing, most likely hazy skies for the Klamath Basin tomorrow. As we make our way into the evening, we could also still see some of those unhealthy air quality, especially near Klamath Falls and up towards Chiloquin where we have that fire. Now, the rest of today, again, we are tracking those thunderstorms. We saw some earlier again, and they're active right now up towards Crater Lake. Making our way into the evening hours, we could see a few of those storms. They are mostly going to be sticking up towards the north, towards northern Klamath and into Lake counties. We could see a few storms pop up along eastern Lake County, but as we make our way into the overnight hours, we'll see a lot of those storms make their way out, and that's preparing us for those hot, warm temperatures that will be making its way in the next few days. Tomorrow, we'll see some mostly sunny skies for the region, and temperatures will be rather comfortable tomorrow. Only a high of 92 into Medford, Klamath Falls 83, and then we will see some hazy and smoky conditions east of the Cascades. And take a look over at Brookings. Tomorrow, your temperature 80 degrees thanks to that Chetco effect. Depending on how fast those winds are coming through tomorrow, we could even see a little bit higher than 80 degrees, and it's going to remain warm through most of this week. Now, what can we expect in the next week ahead? Well, it's going to be hot on Wednesday. That's when we'll see all this hot ridging make its way up, and will be very hot for the next few days. And on Friday and Saturday, we do have some storm potential. We'll keep you updated as we get closer to this weekend. But let's go ahead and take a look at your 7-day for the coast. Remember, tomorrow is going to be very hot, but we'll be staying pretty warm as we head through this week. Over into Northern California, same deal, very hot the next few days, even into Friday and Saturday with those storm chances. Now, over into the Klamath Basin, the next few days, expect some smoky and hazy conditions. We're tracking the chance for those showers and thunderstorms Friday and Saturday. And over into the mountains, we'll be up into the upper 80s this week. And back over into the Rogue Valley, very hot, those triple-digit temperatures, possibly 4 days, even breaking a record potentially on Thursday. It's definitely not fall anytime soon.